Welcome back to my channel. Only genius can solve this quiz. If you are a genius, get at least 9 out of 11 in this quiz competition. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please comment your answers how much you got out of 11. Which pattern follows logically, 2, 6, 12, 20? A. 28, B. 30, C. 32. Correct answer is 30. Solve for x in the equation. 3x plus 9 is equal to 18. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3. Correct answer is 3. What is the next letter in the series? A, C, F, J. A, M, B, N, C, O. Correct answer is N. Find the odd one out. A, circle. B, square. C, triangle. Correct answer is circle. What is the missing number in the series? 5, 10, 20, 80? A, 30. B, 50. C, 40. Correct answer is 40. Which word does not belong to the group? A, apple. B, banana. C, carrot. Correct answer is carrot. What is the missing letter in the series? D, F, H, J. A, K, B, M, C, L. Correct answer is L. If B, E, A, N is to N, E, A, B, then 1, 2, 3, 4 is to A, 4, 3, 2, 1, B, 2, 1, 4, 3, C, 3, 4, 1, 2. Correct answer is 4, 3, 2, 1. Which number completes the series? 3, 6, 11, 18. A, 29, B, 25, C, 27. Correct answer is 27. Which one of the 5 choices makes the best comparison? P, E, A, C, H is to H, C, A, E, P as. Port 6, 2, 5, 1 is to A, 1, 5, 2, 6, 4. B, 1, 2, 2, 5 is 6. C, 1, 5, 2, 4, 6. Correct answer is 1, 5, 2, 4, 6. What comes next in the series? Z, X, V, T, A, Q, B, S, C, R. Correct answer is R. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and comment your answers in below comment section. Thank you.